Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Mary Jane Pasqua. I am married. I am high school graduate. I have kids ages 16 and 14 years old.
How old are you?
35.
35 years old. Okay. So, what position are you applying for?
I'm applying for domestic helper.
In what country?
Qatar.
Qatar. So, why do you want to work as a domestic helper in Qatar?
I want to finish my children to their education and give them a good life.
Okay. So, do you have any experience before as a helper
Yes, ma'am.
here in the Philippines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
For how long?
2 years.
For 2 years. Okay. So, what did you do as a helper before?
I do washing, ironing, cleaning, and take care of kids.
Okay. So, what is your message to your future employer?
Hello, Mom and Sir. I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities as your helper.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Mary Jane.